everyone and welcome back. How are you doing today? Of course you know that I hope you're doing fantastic. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the Lash Me monthly box for the month of January. If you'd like to see what came inside of this month's box, stay tuned. Before we get started, if you could take 2 seconds to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, I would definitely appreciate it. If you're not familiar with Lash Me Monthly, it is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive 3 pair of lashes personalized to your particular style and 3 beauty products each month for $21.99. And the value of the box is supposed to be $70 or more. Now, when we receive the box each month, it comes inside of this cute little box like this with the eyelashes on the front. Super, super cute. And then your items are nice and neatly packaged inside like so. So let's go ahead and start pulling out some of these items. The first thing in the box is the card for the month, and it says January menu, and on the front it says glitter and glam. And that's what that looks like. I hope you can see that. And on the back is just a listing of what's in the box for this month. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out of the box is a pair of lashes. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at those. And these lashes don't have a name on them, but they do have a number, and it says LS32. You see that in the front? And I'm just going to assume that these are Lash Me Monthly's own lashes since there's no label on them. But these are really, really pretty. These are something I could definitely see myself wearing, just to show you again. And the next thing I'm pulling out of here is another pair of lashes, and these are absolutely stunning as well. They're a bit bigger, a bit more full, and just a little more dramatic. But look at those. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I really like those. They look so fun and flirtatious. All right, and these are in the style LS26, it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I'm pulling out another pair of lashes, and these are in the style L30, and these are also really nice lashes, and they have that 3D effect there. All the lashes in these boxes are usually quite nice. It's just a matter of your particular style and what you like. On the card it says 3 pairs of glitter and glam lashes, $14 each. So each pair of these lashes retails for $14. All right, the next thing I'm seeing in the box is a brush. Oh, actually, it's a brush set. I missed a couple of them down here. Hold on. All right, so we got 3 brushes. And this says Doe Color Brush Set. And this is valued at $15. This first one is a small flat brush there. You can use that for multiple things. You can use it to pack a little bit of color in the crease. You could use it to put your lid color on, or whatever you choose to use it for. The brush handles are really pretty. I'm loving that pink and gold color. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, the next brush we have, let me see what this is. This looks like a flat buffer type of brush. It's not particularly round, it looks more oval to me. Look at that. It's still very pretty. And you can use this for multiple things. I would even possibly use that to throw on some contour or blend in my contour. Very nice. And they feel pretty soft. This one has a little bit of density to it, but it's still very soft at the top, and I like that. Okay. And the last brush here that we have, look at that. Very nice. I would use this for highlighter. I know it may be a little big for some people for highlighter, but you can also use it to put like powder under your eyes. You can use it to blend out your contour. You can use this for multiple things, but they're very, very pretty. And again, this feels really good. Not too firm, not too stiff, but the bristles are nice and soft, and I do like that. Very pretty. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box is from Cara Beauty, and it says Galaxy Balm Liquid Eyeshadow. And that's what the box looks like. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a gold liquid eyeshadow. Look at that. How beautiful is that? You know we have to swatch this, guys. We have to swatch it. Yes. Look at that. That is beautiful and intense. That would be a great eyeshadow topper, or just to wear it on your lid all by itself. You could pop some of that in the inner corner. You could do so many things with that. Very nice. The price for this liquid eyeshadow is $10. All right, one more item in the box, guys. Let's go ahead and see what that is. It is an eyeliner pen in black from the brand Cella, it looks like. And it says on here, Cella Beauty Eyeliner Pen. The silky eyeliner glides on to define, emphasize, and embolden with long-lasting, vibrant color that stays on until you want it gone. All right. Let me open this up. I'm not going to swatch it, guys, because I have a ton of black eyeliners. But I did want to pull it out and see what the actual product itself looks like, if I can get it out of the box here. Okay, and that's what that looks like. And it has that pointy felt tip there. And the value of this eyeliner is $21. Ooh, that's a little steep for an eyeliner pen, but you know, I guess. But anyway, guys, that was everything that we received inside of this month's Lash Me Monthly box. For a quick recap, we got the eyeliner pen in black here, which is valued at $21. We got 3 pairs of gorgeous lashes valued at $14 each. And we got this 3-piece brush set here valued at $15. And then we got the liquid eyeshadow valued at $10. So let me go ahead and add that up real quick and I'll give you a total. Okay guys, so I've added up all the products in the box and the total value of this month's box is $88, which is not too bad. They've guaranteed $70 plus, so they definitely surpassed the value that they advertised for the box. Now the cost of the box is $21.99 per month and you do get free shipping with that. But anyway guys, that's all that I have for today. If you received Lash Me Monthly, let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this month's box or what you think about the subscription overall. If you don't receive Lash Me Monthly but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to them down in the description box below. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you take a second, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like. I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.